while in the process of the business. So budget preparation comes with respect to the budget. We can read the budget books to make the preparation, go through the budget law, and the planning is done to make the budget preparation. So while doing the budget preparation, the forecasting and the policy has to be taken into account. So maybe if there is some price rise in the raw material, what should be done, what will be the process, what will be the output from the business process, so how it could be, how the budget could be adjusted. So all those things will come under the budget preparation, forecasting, policy analysis. So and then this budget, when it is executed, budget execution, so what are the expenditure, the receipt has to be got, and the calculations and the matching and the difference in the expenditure has to be known, has to be found out, and then if there is any deviations, cash should be taken to correct it such that the company does not go to the loss. So then while doing the execution, the payroll comes into account, that is giving the salary for the employees in a proper manner, getting the materials, then arranging social programs, etc. Thank you.